Hey folks, Boralex is trying to blanket over 500 acres of prime grassland in Fort Edward with solar panels, right in critical habitat for some of New York's rarest birds. The northern harrier, my favorite, the males are pale gray with black wingtips, the females rich brown with that beautiful owl-like face disc. Then you've got the short-eared owl with only about 50 breeding pairs left in the whole state, plus upland sandpipers, horned larks, and bobolinks. These birds and their habitat are disappearing fast. The Grassland Bird Trust is fighting to protect them. Call them right now at 518-499-0012, email info@grasslandbirdtrust.org, or visit grasslandbirdtrust.org. Let's get this issue noticed. Make the call, spread the word. Our wildlife is counting on us.